everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix the PlayStation verification code issue on your iPhone or Android phone. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can stop the verification from being delivered. Make sure you are entering all of your email address and phone number correctly. Even small mistakes can prevent the code from arriving. If the app sends the code through email, go ahead and click the three-line option in the top left corner and make sure to check your spam and trash folder as well. Next, restart your phone and try requesting the code again. You can also turn airplane mode for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection and often fixes delayed SMS problems. After that, make sure that your phone number is able to receive text messages. Some users accidentally block unknown numbers or disable SMS permissions. You should also remove any VPN connection because VPNs can sometimes interfere with the verification system. If the code is still not arriving, wait before trying again. Requesting too many codes in a short period of time may temporarily block new verification attempts. If available, try using the voice call verification option instead of SMS. You should also try updating the app. Head over to your App Store or your Play Store, then go ahead and search for PlayStation and update the app to the latest version because outdated app versions can sometimes cause login and verification problems. Finally, if none of these methods work, contact the PlayStation app support directly through the app and report the issue with your account or phone. That's how you fix the verification code now received on the PlayStation app. Subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials.